Mahindra Treo Zor is an electric loading three-wheeler that offers increased savings, power-packed performance, superior ride quality and best-in-class comfort and very low maintenance cost per kilometer is 40 paise. Gradeability of the vehicle is 7°. Payload capacity of the vehicle is 550 kg. Mahindra Treo Zor can run up to 125 km per full charge. Mahidra Treo comes with dual-tone color, Mahindra signature front grille. Round headlamps and round turn indicators. Vehicle comes powered with 48 volt lithium-ion battery with capacity of 7.37 kWh. Transmission uses direct drive technology. Cabin and seat are also got dual tone colors. Overall length of the vehicle is 3100 mm, overall width is 1460 mm and overall height is 1762 mm. Rear suspension is rigid axle with leaf spring. Tires are 30.48 cm. Cargo box length is 1500 mm. Cargo box width is 1400 mm and cargo box height is 278 mm. Vehicle comes with ground clearance of 123 mm and best-in-class wheelbase of 2216 mm. Curb weight of the vehicle is 445 kg and gross vehicle weight is 995 kg. Turning radius of the vehicle is 3.05 meters. Braking duties are handled by hydraulic drum brakes at front and rear. Parking brake is mechanical lever type. Front suspension is helical spring with damper and hydraulic shock absorber. Mahindra offers 3 years or 80,000 km standard warranty. Other features include windscreen and wiping system, economy and boost modes, 12-volt mobile phone charging socket, lockable glove box, fully digital instrument cluster. Top speed of the vehicle is 50 km. Mahindra Treo Zor comes with spacious cabin with more leg room and head room, convenient 3-way cargo tray and best-in-class loading height of 675 mm. Battery life of the vehicle is 1,50,000 km. Mahindra Treo Zor is powered by advanced IP67 rated motor that delivers out a maximum power of 10.75 bhp and maximum torque of 42 Nm. Vehicle takes 3 hours 50 minutes for a fully charge.